In this video, I will show you how to delete Semrush accounts safely. First of all, open any browser and log in to your Semrush account. Click on the profile icon from the top right corner. Then click on the option Subscription Info. On the next page, scroll down and click on Contact Us available at the left side. On this page, scroll down and click on Contact Support. Now on the Contact Support page, you have to fill the required information. First, enter your name and contact email. Next, you have to select the reason that why you are contacting the help center. A lot of options are available here, but there is no option to delete your account. So select the option Other from the drop-down. After that, in the description box, enter that I want to delete my Semrush account. Then click on Submit. Your request has been submitted. You would have to wait for their response. And after some time, you might receive an email that your account has been deleted. So keep checking your email from time to time. Just in case, if you don't get any response, then you can come back here again and submit a new request.